Stamina is the secret weapon of fitness. It's often overlooked but absolutely essential. Whether you're crushing a workout, running errands, or just enjoying life, stamina is what keeps you going strong. Want to level up your endurance? Stick around because I'm breaking down how to boost your stamina with simple, practical tips you can start today. Long walks. One of the simplest and most effective ways to boost stamina is by taking long walks. A 30 to 60-minute walk is ideal for beginners, offering a low-impact activity that's easy on the joints while building endurance. Walking is accessible to almost everyone and provides excellent cardiovascular benefits. For those more advanced, walking can be made more challenging by increasing your pace or incorporating hilly terrain. This versatile activity not only improves stamina, but also promotes overall fitness. Cycling is an excellent way to boost stamina, whether it's road biking, mountain trails, or spinning classes. It enhances cardiovascular health while building muscular endurance, making it a highly effective workout. Cycling is versatile. You can enjoy steady rides for endurance or incorporate intervals to challenge your heart and lungs. It's suitable for all fitness levels and can be tailored to your goals. This low-impact activity also strengthens your lower body while promoting overall stamina. Swimming is a full-body workout that builds both strength and stamina while being gentle on the joints. It's ideal for all fitness levels, providing a low-impact way to improve endurance and muscle tone. Start with a few laps and gradually increase your distance to see consistent progress. This versatile exercise is excellent for enhancing cardiovascular health and overall fitness. Running. And of course, we can't leave out running. To really amp up your stamina, try mixing in hills or intervals. Short bursts of sprints followed by a steady pace will push your endurance to the next level. Running challenges your heart, lungs, and legs, helping you perform better in every aspect of fitness. Building stamina isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Incorporate these activities into your routine, stay consistent, and you'll notice your energy levels skyrocket, not just in workouts, but in everyday life. And remember, recovery is key. Rest days are just as important as training days for long-term success. Want more tips like this? Hit subscribe, smash that like button, and check out our other videos to keep improving your fitness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.